In this video, let's talk about how to fix Google Photos not syncing. So if you're having syncing errors on Google Photos, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you'll need to check is if the backup is actually enabled or not. So within these settings, once you're inside of Google Photos, make sure that you turn on the backup. If the backup was not turned on, this is the exact issue that you're facing, and this is the exact reason that the syncing was not allowed. Now, once you complete this first step, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if this is not the case for you, the other thing that you'll need to also ensure is the Google account that you're trying to back up the Google Photos on does have enough space. If the space is running out, this may be the reason the photos are not backing up. And now, even after doing both of these steps and the issue still persists, then in this situation, what you'll also need to ensure is that if the power saver mode is enabled on your device, if the power saver mode or the battery saver mode on your device is enabled, this may also cause these sort of issues. So make sure you disable it, wait out a few seconds, wait out a few minutes, and try to see if the issue is fixed. Now, even after doing all of these steps, the issue still persists, then what you can do in this situation is try to wipe out the cache of the Google Photos. So just tap and hold the app of Google Photos, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Alongside this, what you can also do is head over to the Play Store and look for new updates available. So once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix the Google Photos not syncing issue. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.